Welcome to our channel. If you want to start retirement savings for your children, follow these step-by-step instructions to open child IRAs and Roth accounts. Step 1. Understand that children must have earned income to contribute to an IRA. Income from jobs, self-employment, or modeling counts, but gifts and allowances don't qualify. Step 2. Determine whether a traditional IRA or Roth IRA is better for your child. Roth IRAs are typically preferred because children are in low tax brackets and tax-free growth is beneficial. Step 3. Choose a custodian for the account from banks, brokers, or investment firms. Compare fees, investment options, and minimum balance requirements to find the best fit. Step 4. Complete the custodial IRA application as the adult custodian. Provide your information along with your child's name, social security number, and birth date. Step 5. Fund the account up to the annual contribution limit or the child's earned income, whichever is less. For 2025, the contribution limit is $7,000 for those under 50. Step 6. Keep detailed records of your child's earned income. Save W-2 forms, 1099s, or documentation of self-employment income to prove they're eligible for IRA contributions. Step 7. Choose appropriate investments based on your child's time horizon. With decades until retirement, aggressive growth investments are typically suitable for children's retirement accounts. Step 8. Transfer control of the account to your child when they reach the age of majority in your state. The account becomes theirs to manage, but the funds remain designated for retirement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.